కాదు కాదు నాతో అసలు నిన్నే వదలనింక వందేలే చెలివి నువ్వేలే గుచ్చి కనులతోనే రెచ్చగట్టి ఉసురు పట్టి గిచ్చావే ఎదురు వచ్చాలే అరే ఓ ముద్దటి మనసు గెలిచి రా చిక్కిన పెదవి కొరక అమ్మమో ఎటమో మెరిసే తక్కున ముద్దులు ఇవ్వగరా చెక్కిలి నవ్వులు చిలక అమ్మమో ఎటమో సతీ సతీ నీ చేతుల చేసి గుండెలకెక్కుత సతీ సతీ నా మాయల సుందరివే సతీ సతీ నీ సిక్కలు పట్టుకు కుంకుమ చెత్తుత సతీ సతీ నా ముక్కుల మంజరివే
Got me shook, I'm tripping off of that body. Shawty dripping, she got sauce, I think she knows she a baddie. Jacking Miss back, she kept on the tag, only to make all the petty or mad. I'm picking up on the reddest of flags, but shawty too bad. Shawty too sexy about it, she know that she got it, she know that I want it, she bad. Popping that thing cause she got it, she push up and drop it, she turn every man to a fan. She got that, I give her that. Yeah, she got that, I give her that. Give me that action. The whole thing, not a fraction. Shaking it, shaking it, shaking it. Shawty shake it like she from the favela. Bring me that energy. Turn the function to a mela. Shawty going for hours. She don't stop. She got all the power. She's on top. If it ain't designer, she won't shop. Body made for summer. She did squats. I do what I want, but I do what she please. She hit in positions I couldn't believe. She call me Papi, she call you Paji. Doing the most, she do it for me. All that movement got me shook. I'm tripping over that body. Shawty dripping, she got sauce. I think she knows she a baddie. Jacking this bag, she kept on the tag. Holding to make all the petty oh mad. I'm picking up on the reddest of flash, but Shawty too.
God, you think of something, tell.
He is not telling me Manganna. I want to see what he will say now.
What? I don't know what to say.
ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡ ತಿಳಿಯಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ನೀನು ಅವ್ನ ಕನ್ನಡ ಹೋಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಅವ್ನ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಸರಿ 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 ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಬಂದು ತಾನಿ ಪೋಪನ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಬೊಕ್ಕಗೆ ತಾನಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಂತೆ ಬಾಯ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಬಾಯ್
ಬರ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು
ಬಾಯ್
വാനമഴയെ പാതിമരമേ തേടുമരികാരെ ജാലമേ നീ ചാരമിഴിയെ കാരമൊഴിയെ കാതിലിനിയാരെ ഗാനമേ നീ ഏഴുനിറമേകും മാനം നാമിട തീർത്തൊരുമായ ലോകം പൂനിലവ് കവരും തീരം നാമലിയുന്നവിട മോതിര കയ്യിൽ കോരിടാം വെൺചന്ദ്രനെ ഹൃദയം തിരികെ സാമഗമം പറന്നു പറന്നുയരേ ಶಿವನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಪನೋಡಾಂಡ ಆಯ್ ಎಂಕ್ಲೆಗ್ ಪುಟ್ಟಿನ
ಆತೊಂಜಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಲ್ದೆ ಓಡೆ ಮುಟ್ಟ ಎಂಕಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ಪತ್ತೆ ಪಂಡ ಎಂಕುಲ್ ಹನಿಮೂನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಹೋನಾಗ ಅವಳು ಎಂಕಲ್ ನೋಡಿ
he was there with us. He didn't let us do our honeymoon. He was there in every pub, everything, but we love him so much. He's a gem of a person.
Again, you know, ini ninna madme avondundu
ಎಂಕುಲ್ ಹನಿಮೂನ್ ಗೆ ಬರ್ಪಾಯ್ ನೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ
ಎಂಕಲ್ ಹನಿಮೂನ್ ಗೆ ಬರ್ಪಾಯ್
ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಪಬ್s
ഒരു തിരുവാവണി കാലത്ത് മലരമ്പിൻ തുമ്പാൽ നെഞ്ചിൽ കോരുന്നതാരും
അൻപേ നീലാഞ്ജനമായി തെളിയുന്നിരവെല്ലാം നീയാണേ സായാഹ്നമേറി ചിരിരാന്തര നിന്നൊരു സാഗരമേ താരപദമാകെ പ്രേമമഴയായി പായ്ത്തോണിയിൽ നാമും ഒന്നായി തേടിയെത്തി തീരമേ മോതിര കയ്യിൽ കോരിടാം വെൺചന്ദ്രനെ ഹൃദയം തിരികെ സാമഗമം പറന്നു പറന്നുയരേ
I would like to say that it was a great and unique wedding. After a long time, ತುಂಬಾ ದಿನ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ವೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. I would would like to request you that please do take care of my sister. ಅವಳ ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಬರಬಾರ್ದು. ಮತ್ತು she is very possessive and also she is short-tempered, a little impulsive, and you know everything about her, but still please do take care of her. ಅವಳನ್ನ ಅಳಿಸ್ಬೇಡ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, ಗೋಳು ಇಕ್ಕೋಬೇಡ, ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರಿ ಇಬ್ಬರು. ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬೋತ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು.
वैभोगमे लक्ष्मी कल्याण वैभोगमे
Welcome to family Shivakumar. Welcome to Hadagli family Shivakumar.
Mangalam Pundarikaksha Mangalaya Tanohare Anandam Anandam Anandame Paramanandam Anandam Anandame Naam Sida Puja Phalan Pintri Balitadamma Naam Sida Puja Phalan Pintri Balitadamma Anandam Anandam Anandame Paramanandam Anandam Anandame
First go English Babi meet man Paripnaga are must friendly, must calm, and both of them look so good together.
Okay, and yes, they both look good together, and we really love her because she's as calm as Shivu, and both of them, they are very alike, and we are very happy that Maha is into our family, and
we can't wait to have fun with her, just like how we used to have with Shivu.
Yes,
we wish them a very happy married life. Lots of love.
Para